Alright, so today's Friday. I think the 30th of August, something like that. Today the 30th? Yeah. Today's August 30th?
What is that?
Today's date. August 30?
Oh no.
29?
Today to the 30.
Okay. Thank you. So in Florida, English is a second language. So here, Hard Rock Stadium, Rolling Stones are here, along with the Fun Police, and we're going to be working the event. So it's pretty hot in here. It's like 95 degrees. The hurricane is about to be here, Hurricane Dorian. So a little bit of a breeze. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I think concert starts at 7 or 8. So I'm pretty much going to be here all night. So, how you doing, man? Good, how are you? Trying to stay cool, right? So a lot of new construction here. This used to be Pro Player Stadium. Before that was Joe Robbie. Now it's the Hard Rock. Everything's still under construction. A lot of it's done, like the retractable roof, stuff like that. But I'll be working all day, get some videos. We'll see what happens. Nice Terminator, Mystic Chrome. How you doing? S65 AMG, twin turbo V12, 600 plus horsepower, 740 torque. Sweet car. Surprised it's not in the service department because those are always broken. Yeah, I'm getting rained on now. Working for the last 3 hours, been hot and humid, and now it's like pouring down. Yo, what? Oh well. Here we go, here it comes. Crazy. Soaked. All this for a concert. Alright, here we go. It's gonna start getting crazy now. You guys need a ride? Alright, it's 11:30, it's raining again. Couch is about to let out, but I'm fighting a headwind. Can't get a break. I think we got a couple more songs left and the whole thing's gonna let out. Parking lot is still packed. See what happens.
Love going to concerts.
How much is the biggest to 16?
20 bucks.
That's him right here? This white truck?
I gotta do a U-turn. Let me go through? Can I go through? Can I go through?
There you go.
Going back. Going through. Going through. Alright, it rained so bad earlier that I was not able to record because my screen was covered in water. So now the rain slowed down. People are still leaving the concert. The concert's actually ended. I've ridden about 50 miles today so far. Yo! Alright, here we go. We're getting to the chaos. Heads up! Heads up! Heads up! Nice and flooded here. Coming through. Cross. It's like this every event here at the stadium because they don't know how to run anything. Yeah, let's go. Let's go.